In this video, we are going to see the third numerical problem based on commutativity and associativity. Right? We have already seen two problems and this is the third one in succession to the two problems above. We know what is commutative law, we know what is associative law. Let's get started with the third problem. Let's see what the question has to say. If A star B is equal to A plus B plus AB is commutative. I already have the information that I have a function and you don't need to check by solving it whether it is commutative or not. It is already given it is commutative also, it is associative also. You have to do what? You have to find the value of x such that 2 star x star 3 is equal to 7, right? So, let us see what the solution has to say. Let us see what the solution has to say. I mean, it is 2 star x star 3 is equal to 7 because we have to find the value of x. So, I wrote it again so that we get things more clearer. Now, A star B is given to me what? It is given to be A plus B plus AB. So, that is it. A star B, if I take this as A, I take x as B, it is A plus B plus AB, right? And the bracket will remain, star 3 will remain, 7 will remain. Now, 2 plus x plus 2x, that means 2 plus 3x star 3 is equal to 7. Now, this whole bracket acts as A, 3 acts as B, again A star B is equal to A plus B plus AB. So, it is A plus B plus AB is equal to 7 will remain as it is. What we are doing? We are just solving as per the brackets that are coming in play. Now, 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 3x plus 3 2s are 6 plus 3 3s are 9x is equal to 7. Simple solutions, right? 9 plus 3 is 12x plus 11 is equal to 7. Now 12x plus 11 is equal to 7. Let's keep it here. Let me solve the remaining problem this side. 12x is equal to 7 minus 11. What is 7 minus 11? It is minus 4. That means x is equal to minus 4 upon 12. That means x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So, I was asked to find the value of x. I have found out the value of x, which is what? Which is minus 1 upon 3. So, in this video, we saw how to solve for a variable if it is already given that the function is both commutative and associative. I would like to repeat this category of solution again, that we were supposed to find the value of x. 11 and 7 were here, 11 transposed that side, so it becomes 7 minus 11, which is minus 4. Now x multiplied by 12, so the 12 factor comes down, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, minus 1 upon 3 is the answer. In the next video, we will be seeing how is a binary operation topic so vast that we have identity, we have inverse and other things as well.